Alright, hello guys and girls. Today I'm going to be putting together a 1-800 vending machine. It's a 3-canister machine. I've already broken it all down and cleaned everything. So we're going to get started. So this comes apart here. There's 4 screws here. You need to make sure they're nice and tight before you complete the whole thing. Then these flaps that just go right in there. The nozzles there. The next thing are these pieces here. Is what rolls a quarter down into the change compartment. And then these things just pop in. There's one for the middle that's kind of straighter edge because they have the pole here. Goes in the middle. Then the corn mix go in next. It says on here front and top. Make sure you get that right. We got the canisters. Okay, and then this one's broken down. See there, that's how you change the candy. There's 3 screws there, you gotta adjust it. This one's gonna be for peanut M&Ms, so we're gonna go with the largest available. Put that there. Then there's a thing on here that says here's front here, it needs to go towards the front of the machine. Front of the machine. Alright, there's 4 screws that hold the canister to the base. And I like to go one and then go the opposite side, screw it in, go the opposite side. It would help if you had a longer screwdriver, but I don't. Alright, then there's this piece here goes on the, this is actually just a piece of all thread. Make sure they're all in there. Just corn neck, all the mix go. And then goes in there. Push the lock. Alright, then there's a back piece, that's over there somewhere, but it's all good. Put your lock. And that's it. Now it's ready to go on route and start making money for us. Peace.